Okay, this is 14. It says a Gallup poll released in December 2010 asked 1,019 adults living in the continental United States about their beliefs of the origins of humans. These results, along with the results from a more comprehensive poll from 2001, are summarized in the table below. So this is from 2010. This is from 2001. So basically, we're just trying to figure out, have the beliefs in the origin of human life changed since 2001? So we're trying to show that they've changed. So the null would be that they haven't. So the population today follows the 2001 distribution. So this says here, hold on 1 second. Yeah, so the null would be that it follows the same distribution as 2001, and the alternative would be that it doesn't follow the 2001 distribution. That's a weird way of writing it, but this is the correct answer. We're saying, are these two things the same? And then we're trying to show that this is actually different than that. So it says calculate the actual number of respondents in 2010 that fall into each category, as well as the expected, assuming that the population follows the 2001 distribution. So I surveyed 1,019 people. So I'm just going to take these percentages and multiply to get the numbers observed, and then I'm going to take this value and multiply these numbers to get the number expected. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back when this is done. Okay, so I'm just going to take these values. When I multiply it by 38%, I got 387. 16% is 163. 407 or 408, we round populated in 61. So 408, 61. Now I do the same thing with the 2001 data. That would be what I expect to happen. So I'm going to pause this again. Okay, so now I'm going to copy these down. 377, 122. 459 and 61. So now I'm going to put my observed list into L1 and my expected list into L2. So let me clear this out. My observed 387 is the payment butt part of the this. 408, 61, 377. Okay, once that's done, we go back to stat, over to my test. So I'm going to do a chi-squared goodness of fit test. My observed is L1, my expected is L2. The degrees of freedom, so there's 4 categories. It's going to be 4 minus 1 or 3. And the way to calculate. So my test statistic here is 19.71. My degrees of freedom, I just said, were 3. And the p-value is 0.1948 times 10 to the negative 4, so 0.0002. We rounded appropriately. So I think I cut off the bottom of this. Your p is going to be less than alpha. So we'll reject the null and accept the alternative. So we can say that it does not follow the 2001 distribution. Sorry about that circle. Whatever.